Good day mga Repa Pips. We're back in Nagoya. And this time, Sakura season naman tayo. Okay? So, hindi kumpleto yung grupo. Nandito lang si Bunso and Wifey. The two bagets. Medyo naiiwan this time. But, definitely sasama natin sila sa susunod natin biyahe. Okay? Today's itinerary, we are going to Inuyama. Of course, Sakura season, maghanap tayo ng mga Sakura trees. And kung ano pa yung pwede natin puntahan. I believe meron dong castle din. Meron ding shrine na pwede nating silipin. So it's gonna be fun. So tara, samahan nyo kami ulit. Just like the usual. Let's go to Inuyama. Right! Dito tayo ngayon sa Sakai area, kung saan tayo nakakuha ng hotel accommodation, and this is what it looks like. So it's quite a commercial district. So may mga businesses, shops, malls. So basically if you're in Nagoya, parang isa to sa magandang area na pagstayan kasi halos kompleto. May mga restaurants na, may mga shops. And nandito rin malapit yung Nagoya Mirai TV Tower. Okay? So, isa to sa mga location na pwede mo i-consider if you're trying to visit Nagoya someday. Alright, so ngayon, papunta tayo sa subway. Doon tayo sasakay papuntang Inuyama. Temperature is 11 degrees. As you can see, medyo manipis na yung suot kong jacket compared sa last time. Pero malamig pa rin. Tumatagos pa rin sa loob. So, baka in a few days, magbago. Mas uminit or I'm not sure kasi pabago-bago yung temperature nila for the week. Okay? So basta update ko kayo. Punta muna tayo sa subway station. Bye!
You got me feeling good, right about your side. Lost in every move, riding down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lines. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can we tune it out? Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind. Can I? By 6:08, give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be sick all night, cause we'll switch it up.
Noon mga Rep Pips, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Inuyama. And we exited from Nishiguchi, which is yung west side exit. And ito yung sumalubong sa amin. Full bloom cherry blossoms. Yan mismo ang dinadayo rito. Isn't it amazing? So kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit napaka-popular nitong cherry blossom ito dito sa Japan, kasi it takes a year for them to see this, yung ganitong full bloom. And then, mga 1 week lang ang itinatagal usually ng ganitong puno. I mean, yung flowers na yan, yung bloom niya, it only takes 1 week and then mawawala na yan. So, aside sa pinaka part na siya ng culture ng Japan, eh meron siyang significance in a form of parang hope right after ng winter, which is syempre ang winter is yung mga previous ano kasi parang hirap ng food. Dahil winter, so walang nagbe-bear ng fruit, walang nagbe-bear ng masyadong ano. So yun. So parang it's a sign of hope for everyone here in Japan. Kaya ganun na lang nila sineselebrate. Right now, pupunta na tayo sa Inuyama Castle because most probably mas marami pa ron cherry blossoms. Okay? So tara, tingnan natin. Peace! And guys, so from Inuyama Station, we opted na maglakad na lang going to Inuyama Castle. And timing, kita mo naman itong dinadaanan namin going to Inuyama Castle, diba? Look at that, isang strip ng sakura. And it's riverside, halos lahat yan. So I'll stop talking and I'll just let you enjoy the scene. Mga Repa Pips, so we just arrived in Inuyama Castle. Punta muna tayo dito sa parang shrine nila. So this one, so part din pala ito ng castle. First story gate. Let's get inside. This is the Sanko Inari Shrine. Yan, Inari. It's guarded by foxes. Kaya siya tinawag na Inari Shrine. So halos pareho sila ng type of shrine. Yung nung nasa Kyoto, yung nasa Fushimi Inari. Kaya marami rin tong torii gates, although smaller. Dito yung ritual na kapag hinugasan mo raw yung pera mo, suswerte yung kalala. So that's what they're doing. So sila ng water, nalagyan nila yung pera dun sa parang bilao, and then they'll wash it. So this is where you buy the ticket. Kung castle lang, 550 yen for adult and 110 for kid. Elementary and high school. And then this is the entrance. So let's go in. Let's go and find English version. Oops.
Ma, I can't.
Inuyama Castle.
我没见你发。
Tamang-tamang timing natin guys. Full bloom na cherry blossoms everywhere here in Nagoya. So dito na tayo sa loob ng Inuyama Castle. So pinalagay yung mga shoes namin sa plastic bag and dito kami pumalik. So floor by floor, pwede kang mag-ikot. Yeah. There's the view. This is an old samurai armor. Presko sa loob. Mahangin. This is the view. Ito raw yung kwarto ng Lord. So dito natutulog yung mismong chief ng castle. Lipat naman tayo ng floor. Tingnan natin yung view from outside.
Doon ako natatakot eh.
This is the view from top of the castle. Ganda! Ayan, dyan tayo galing sa baba eh. Kaya sabi nila, this castle is strategically made para hindi agad mapasok ng mga kalaban. Yun yung previous era nila. So ayan, may vantage point ka. Dahil from there, pataas na yan eh. So mahirap na akyatin. Ayan. So ingat lang. Pwede pang likat. Nice. Diba guys?
跳ね返ってくる宇宙に浮かび上
Pwede
が
tayo
る
pataas.
地面にまだ何もついてないところの球をこんなにやってしまう
左肩が止まって3回で切れますんでね。はい、ありがとうございます。はい、いらっしゃい。何が良かったですか？
Dito pa rin tayo mga Repa Pips sa Inuyama. And this is some kind of, ito yung parang ano nila, bazaar or ano ba, food mart. So tingnan natin kung anong meron. Mag-try tayo. Okay, karage, koroke, takoyaki. Try natin to.
1800円ね。ちょっと待ってね。はい、200円。はい、ちょっと待っててね。ちょっと意外と出るんです。はい、Thank you.
Try natin mga Repa Pips. Masarap. Medyo chewy. Pero saktong-sakto lang. Malambot pa rin kaysa sa ordinaryong beef.
Bite. Dahan-dahan.
Hindi ako nagbibiro. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa eh. Lasang-las. Ah.
Mga Repa Pips, still in Inuyama. Ito yung parang old town nila, old village. Medyo may pagka-Kyoto vibe. Old structure and mga shops. Pero more on Takayama yung feel ko eh. Parang Takayama feel. Okay mga Repa Pips, natatandaan yung video natin sa Takayama. Natry natin ito. Medyo ibang klase nga lang. Parang pure beef siya na skewered. Pero almost the same. Hida beef lang. Hida beef din. Exciting. Hey, that's it. Nakakara. May pa-heart. I wanna give my heart to you. Tara. Let's see if this is the same as sa Takayama.
Smoking hot.
Mainit pa eh. Baka mapaso ulit tayo parang kuroke.
May kuha.
Mas gusto ko to kasi puro meat
Ay.
and walang ginger. So, again, careful ha. Don't choke.
Eat it whole.
Yeah.
How's it?
It was good. But the one in Takayama was definitely still better. But that one has a heart.
Mga Happy Pips. So, day 2. And we're going back to Shirakawa. Well, siguro kung iniisip niyo bakit tayo babalik doon, hindi namin kasi masyadong naikot yung winter dahil sa kapal ng yelo. Pero itatry nating explore ngayon since na nandito na rin naman tayo. So para ma-experience naman natin yung 2 seasons in Shirakawa. Okay? So we're heading to Nagoya Station para sa bus. Tapos magbabus lang tayo, DIY travel. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Update ko kayo ulit. Alright? Nana-chan, isa to sa mga iconic na lugar sa dito sa Nagoya Station basically. Ang team niya ngayon is Aichi University. Right. So dito tayo ngayon, akyat tayo ngayon sa Meitetsu Bus Center. So we are taking the bus going to Shirakawa. Departure time is 7:50 a.m. And right now 7:30 pa lang. We have more time to prepare. Hintayin na lang tayo.
100丁経由対馬駅行きのバスが3番乗り場に到着しました。
Konnichiwa.
You got me feeling good, right by your side. Lost in every move, riding down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all.
Yun mga Repa Pips, so nandito na tayo sa Shirakawa Go. And medyo nakaka-surprise kasi hindi ito yung ina-expect namin na dadatnan dito. May snow pa rin. Grabe. Okay, so first off, punta muna tayo sa observatory. Yun yung hindi natin nagawa nung last time. So we want to make sure na ngayon makakapunta tayo doon. Okay, so punta tayo sa may shuttle, pagsakay, and then update ko na lang kayo. Alright? Later. So ayun guys, puro snow pa rin dito. Supposedly dapat tunaw na yan and getting ready for cherry blossoms na. Ayun na. Okay. You. So this is the shuttle schedule. For your reference. And ito siya ngayon. So natatandaan nyo doon sa video namin nung last kami pumunta dito, punong-puno ng yelo yan, as in hindi mo makikita yung kalsada, may makita ka man, puro yelo pa rin. Itong mga fields, open field na yan, wala yan, puro mataas na snow yan. Okay, so for sure wala na yung Sakura viewing. it's all gone kasi may yellow pa sila. So bawi na lang tayo ulit dun sa time na hindi natin nakuhanan dahil sa sobrang dami ng yellow. So for sure ngayon makakapag-ikot tayo ng mas maayos. Okay? Okay, so nandito na tayo sa may viewing deck. And then nag-shuttle. Kaya sarap buhay, walang hingal. Okay, so let's see kung anong meron dito. By the way, if ever meron kayong nag-rent-a-car kayo tapos pupunta kayo dito, please take note na authorized vehicle lang yung nakakapanek hanggang dito sa viewing deck na vehicle. So please make sure na huwag na kayo mag-attempt kasi hindi na kayo papapasukin unless you are on a arranged tour. Okay, so this is it. Welcome to Shirakawa-go Gasho Village.
はい、足元ご注意ください。後ろがせかさんワン、ツー、ミニフォータパグ。
Ito yung hindi natin nagawa before. This is the view deck of Shirakawa-go Gasho Village.
May gusto ka ba?
Ay, favor.
Kinidal. Kinidal.
Alright guys, so kung hindi kayo magsha-shuttle, ito yung way going up, although kami pabalik na, or I mean pababa na. Pero kung hindi nyo aabutan yung shuttle or gusto nyo maglakad going to the observatory, ito yun. So yan, pataas. So kung athletic ka at kayang-kaya mo namang hingalin, wala kang heart condition, then this is an alternative way. Ayan ang mga Repa Pips, kung napanood nyo yung dating video, puro yelo yan, hindi nyo makikita halos yung kalsada. So ngayon, mas okay siya, di ba? So ito talaga yung binalikan namin para ma-experience namin yung talagang look ng Shirakawa-go. Yung medyo green, and mas maganda lang ngayon kasi medyo kami halong snow. So, ito ulit yung stero nila. Mga ref pips, snack time. Ito yung flat chicken. Pero tawag nila is bikuri karan. Surprise chicken daw. Okay, let's try. Okay. Ano pa tayo na iba mamaya? Alright.
Choco vanilla ice cream. Yum. Kinain ko na. I've craved ice cream for a long time na.
Good.
Nice.
It's the Kanda House. Isa sa mga heritage na bahay dito. Kanda House is open for viewing. And ito yung admission fee niya. Tara, try natin. Para makita natin kung anong loob ng isang gastro house. Okay, so pagpasok nyo, you need to remove your shoes. And then, ito na yung pinakabahay. So the house itself is lumang-luma na talaga. Ito yung traditional na place ng lutuan nila. The room of Patriarch Popo.
Is this a table?
Let's go up. Wink.
Ma.
Let's may usok check. Yeah. Okay. So ito yung mga lumang tools nila. Here.
There's another floor. Is this real? Like, is this real?
Of course.
Whoa. I feel so cool with them. This would be really so
Ano yung gamit nila? Tubig. Hindi sila gumamit ng mga pako or anything. Nails.
What? So they only use these?
Yeah, they only tie it.
Grabe, ang dangerous yun. Super dangerous. Should we go off the next? What's this? I don't know. Is it for this? Wow, look at that view.
Grabe guys. Parang ramdam na ramdam mo kung gaano katagal na yung bahay na to. Sa amoy pa lang. Well, right now amoy siga kasi
There's a fire.
nag-burn sila ng ano doon, pero originally yung amoy ng kahoy talagang amoy luma. Grabe ang lamig. Hindi ko ina-expect to na mararanasan ko sa April.
Guys,
Yan yung mga, I'm not sure if koi pa rin to, pero yan yung mga isda.
parang
Medyo maambon mga Repa Pips. So, di ba? Mas maganda yung Shirakawa Go ngayon kasi kita yung mga green compared sa last time. So, okay na rin kahit di nakita yung or kahit di namin na-experience yung Sakura season dito sa Shirakawa Go. At least nakabawi kami dun sa mga hindi namin napuntahan. Just like this one. Itong shrine na to, punong-puno yan ng yellow. So, hindi siya mapasok ng last time. Ngayon, kitang-kita na yung structure niya. Ang weird ng panahon. Umuulan. Or umaambon. Nagiyelo. Then umaaraw. Yan yung Alps, oh. Kitang-kita yung Alps dito.
oo nga. Grabe. Gusto ko yung picture.
Para ka na rin nakapag-Switzerland kung punta ka rito sa Shirakawa Go eh. Look at that. Punong-puno pa rin ng snow ang ibabaw ng mga bundok nila.
Today we are opening another gacha here in Kura, Sakaye, and this time it's Pokemon. Finally, not a girly edition. And look at this, how cute. Ta-da. There you go. Whoa, who is this? Wait, what is this?
Pin.
think it's a magnet. Probably, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you. And today we only got one gacha, but